Hi everyone, welcome back. Hope you're all safe and well. Today's video I'm going to be tackling this back wall. I'm going to get a coat of lime render on it, insulate it, make it nice and secure. At first it needs a good wetting down. So do I. It's getting warm already. You'll be surprised how quickly this water evaporates and soaks through the existing lime that's already there. Time for a mix. Just want a creamy consistency. Make sure you wet down your spot mould. Good to go. I've started in the tricky corner. Some people work from bottom left, that way out. It's just a preferential thing. Sometimes it's dictated by circumstance with scaffolding and other things, but yeah, I thought I'd start here and then I can work my way down. A little bit tricky behind some of the woodwork, but nothing too much to worry about. Another reason to start at the top as the day gets warmer and warmer, obviously the heat rises, so we'll start working our way down. If I wasn't going to be stud working this and putting in maybe another layer of breathable insulation, you could always add a natural product like hemp into the mix and then do this in several coats, and in that way you'll achieve a much better R value for your insulation. You really do notice how much extra material you use on an uneven surface. If it was flat, it would have probably covered double the area of what I've already done. But it's not. And it's not a new house. It's an old, ancient, lovely house that's just coming back to life now and should last for quite some time going forward. Time for another mix. Wow, what a transformation. Even the colour just makes this area start to look a lot brighter and a lot cleaner. And it's really important not to let it dry out too quick, so spray in advance, let it soak in. Now, it's a good sign in a way that the lime is drying out, because it means that the wall is really nice and dry. There's no penetrating damp or water coming in from the bottom of the wall or outside. Yes, you guessed it, onto another mix. Now when it comes to the mix, a few people have asked, have you got a cement mixer? Some have seen that I've got a cement mixer. Yes, I have. But when you're doing work like this on your own, you can't knock too great a batch up in one go, because it starts setting, especially in this weather. Can't leave it outside because it'll be even hotter inside that metal drum. It's already close to 30, which you can't use lime in those sort of temperatures. So I find it a lot quicker and more manageable when I do it in the buckets. I can knock it up dry in advance. Now if I do it in the cement mixer dry, there's dust everywhere. You know, you've got to bear in mind this isn't a building site. You know, we do live here as well, animals and, you know, belongings about. So, you know, I like to keep the dust down, do it like this, and in that way I'm in control of the progress, so it doesn't set too quick. Another mix. Now I'm not after a smooth finish, which is just as well. The more surface area it's got, the more it will pull the moisture away from the stones. Could score it as well, but I'm not going to. Well, I'm glad I started at the top, because I can feel the temperature difference just down here. Yes, I'm certainly going to enjoy a little drink tonight. We're off out to see our great friends, the Pevericks. Have invited us to their summer party. So it'd be great to catch up with everyone there and enjoy a few cordials. I could certainly do with one now. Okay, that is it for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.